The world is full of noise. We rush, our phones buzz, our minds race. Stillness feels lost, but sometimes you hear a whisper, a call from a faraway place. For me, that whisper was Ziro Valley. Hidden deep in the mountains, Ziro is not easy to reach. The journey is long, winding through hills and leaving the city behind. You sense you're entering somewhere special. Ziro isn't just a place, it's a feeling. The valley opens before you, vast, green, cool air scented with pine and earth. The world's noise fades, and you remember how to be still. This is the call of the hidden valley. In Ziro Valley live the Apatani people, a tribe deeply connected to their land. Their bamboo and wood houses cluster together, creating a strong sense of community. The Apatani have lived here for generations, passing down wisdom rooted in the earth. Older women, with facial tattoos and nose plugs, are living symbols of tradition and resilience. Even without words, their smiles welcomed me, a silent connection beyond language. The Apatani's rice fish farming is ingenious. Rice and fish thrive together, a model of sustainability. They take only what they need, wasting nothing, living in harmony with nature. Their way of life made me question my own. How much do we really need? Community councils guide decisions, and festivals fill the valley with music and dance. I listened to their songs, simple, beautiful, celebrating mountains, rivers, and ancestors. Their culture is a lesson. Richness isn't about possessions, but about connection to each other and the land. The Apatani show us another way to live, sustainable, joyful, and deeply rooted. In their presence, I felt the strength of community and the wisdom of tradition. Their world is different, but their values are universal. Ziro's people are its heart, and their story is one of resilience and harmony. Here, life is lived close to the earth, and every day is a celebration of that bond. The Apatani remind us, true wealth is found in community and connection. Ziro Valley's beauty is breathtaking. A vast green plain ringed by pine-clad hills. Rice paddies stretch endlessly, their electric green reflected in shimmering water. Seasons paint the landscape. Young rice glows green, harvest turns fields gold, and winter dusts hills with snow. Nature is the artist, the valley her canvas, light, water, and life in constant motion. In our lives, true silence is rare. Ziro Valley offers a different kind of quiet. It's not the absence of sound, but a deep stillness. You hear wind, birds, even your own thoughts. Here, time slows. You notice the small things, a dragonfly, a drifting cloud, a butterfly's wings. The valley invites you to be present, to let worries fade and clarity emerge. Stillness becomes a meditation, a gift that quiets the mind and soothes the soul. The people of Ziro embody this calm, moving with purpose, but never in haste. Their peace is contagious. You begin to carry it within yourself. Ziro teaches that stillness isn't just a place, it's a state of mind. The valley is a teacher, showing the power of presence and the beauty of quiet. Even after leaving, I carry that lesson with me. In Ziro, I found a rare tranquility, a reminder of what matters most. The sound of stillness lingers long after the journey ends. Sometimes the greatest discovery is learning to be still. Leaving Ziro Valley felt like waking from a dream. The green fields and misty mountains faded, but I was changed. Ziro's peace and perspective stayed with me, a quiet mark on my soul. Places like this are treasures, fragile, precious, and worth protecting. They teach us about sustainability, community, and living in harmony with nature. The true value of travel is not just seeing new places, but seeing with new eyes. In Ziro, I learned that wealth is measured in connection, not possessions. The memory of the valley is a quiet refuge I can return to anytime. Stillness is always available, if we know where to look. Sometimes you find it in a hidden valley. Sometimes you find it within yourself. Ziro's lesson is simple. Peace is possible, wherever you are.